Luxury is defined as the state of great comfort and extravagant living. It can be found in various shapes and sizes and can be encountered across the globe, especially in hotels. Whether you're fantasizing about a once-in-a-lifetime travel destination, seeking inspiration for a special event, looking for examples of luxurious enhancements you can make to your own hotel, or anything in between, we have got you covered. From butler service and private pools to incredible amenities and perks, keep sitting to see some of the most luxurious hotels the world has to offer. Before we get started, please show your support for our channel by liking and subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Number 5. Rancho Valencia Resort and Spa, California, is an exceptionally stunning boutique hotel that is widely regarded as a hidden gem, but in reality, it is one of the most opulent hotels globally. The resort is located just minutes away from the pristine Del Mar beaches and less than 30 minutes away from San Diego. It boasts a state-of-the-art gym, a Pilates studio, and some of the most exquisite tennis facilities, which have won numerous accolades. The property underwent a $30 million renovation in 2013, which included refurbished guest casitas featuring hand-painted tiles and custom-made furnishings, a brand new restaurant and bar, as well as significant upgrades to the spa and fitness center. Number 4. The Ritz Carlton, Wolfsburg, Germany. If your visions of luxury doesn't typically involve views of a car manufacturing plant, then you're in for a delightful surprise. The 5-star Ritz Carlton Wolfsburg, situated within the Volkswagen Autostadt theme park, is surrounded by innovative concepts in automotive design, architecture, art, and culinary creations. The rooms and suites offer minimalist and contemporary decor, complete with floor-to-ceiling windows that provide views of either the Autostadt or the historic Volkswagen plant. The 2-bedroom black and white suite is the epitome of elegance, featuring a steamed shower, a separate soaking tub, a living room with a fireplace, and a pool table. Other noteworthy hotel amenities include a 3-star Michelin restaurant called Equa, which serves modern European cuisine, a floating outdoor swimming pool located in the harbor basin, and a spa that specializes in organic treatments and products. Number 3. Kamalea Koh Samui, Thailand. At Kamalea Retreat, luxury is not just about lavish furnishings and extravagant decorations. The concept of luxury is intricately intertwined with wellness. Upon arrival, guests are welcomed with Kamalea's signature mocktails and offered a one-on-one consultation to customize their perfect wellness experience. Throughout their stay, guests can enjoy a seamless blend of specialized spa treatments, expert-led exercise classes, and 5-star healthy cuisine. Kamalea is situated on a large hill that overlooks a white sand beach and a serene lagoon. The buildings seamlessly blend with the surrounding jungle, creating a picturesque setting. Guests can explore the tranquil surroundings and discover hidden gems such as a cave for contemplation, swings extending over the water, and suites with private plunge pools. It's no surprise that guests speak fondly of their once-in-a-lifetime experience at Kamalea and dream of returning. Number 2. The Palms, Las Vegas. The Palms Casino Resort is an exceptional luxury hotel to book in Vegas, situated in the strip of Sin City. Among the many lavish hotels in the area, the Palms stands out for its penthouse suites, which host some of the most vibrant parties in the city, as well as for its themed suites and villas that vacationers can choose from. Covering an impressive space of 8,500 square feet, this place boasts fantastic amenities such as a fitness center, a game area, a 17-seat bar, and a private pool. The Palms is undoubtedly one of the most entertaining and luxurious resorts in the world, and staying there is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The resort offers various amenities, including free parking, free high-speed internet, Wi-Fi, a fitness center with a gym or workout room, a bar or lounge, a casino and gambling area, evening entertainment, car hire, and a business center with internet access. Number 1. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. Described as the world's most luxurious hotel, Burj Al Arab is often referred to as the first 7-star hotel. Situated on the artificial island of Palm Jumeirah in Dubai, this hotel opened its doors in 1999. Designed to look like an Arabian thou sail, the property boasts an infinity pool terrace and man-made beach. The Burj Al Arab Hotel has a 180-meter high atrium, the world's largest Swarovski crystal ceiling, and a helipad. The interior has been decorated with around 1,800 square meters of 24-karat gold leaf. Guests can enjoy a wide range of facilities including personal butlers, chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce cars, Talus Spa, and a 17-pillow menu. As an all-suite resort, the hotel features 6 high-end restaurants that serve delectable cuisine. To experience the iconic luxury of Burj Al Arab in Dubai, one may have to spend around $10,000 per room. So, exploring the most luxurious hotels and resorts is an experience like no other. From stunning architecture and lavish decor to exceptional service and amenities, these properties offer the ultimate in comfort and indulgence. Whether you're seeking a relaxing beach getaway, a romantic retreat, or an adventure-filled holiday, there's a luxury hotel or resort that will cater to your every need. From private islands to secluded mountain lodges, from opulent city hotels to serene spa retreats, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching.